guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be giving you all the womanly tips that you need to know. So we're talking hair tips, we're talking hygiene tips, we're talking hoe tips, like all of the H's. So I'm going to be letting you guys in on everything that I think that has helped me. And if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Okay, so the first and most obvious tip is to drink water. And I like to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. It's really easier for me to drink water because I do own a Brita. And basically that's just you use the water from the sink and it will filter out all the bad stuff. And then you can drink as much water as you need and you save a lot of money on like bottled water. So I used to always buy bottled water and I was spending all this money and I bought a Brita. So much easier. Not sponsored, by the way. I just love Britas. But yeah, that is a very good tip to drink more water. So as soon as I wake up in the morning, I will drink a glass of water and I will just drink water throughout the day. Okay, so the next tip is to take your vitamins. So the vitamins that I take are a multivitamin. I take a vitamin C. I take probiotics. And all of these vitamins do a really good job at helping out my womanly problems that I might have. For instance, you know, it makes me have irregular periods. If you're irregular, it can help with that. And also, if you aren't getting all the nutrition that you need with the meals that you're eating per day, vitamins can kind of take up the slack with that. So it's very important that you take your vitamins. So you want to make sure that you are trimming your ends when needed. And this is something, if you've been following my channel for a while, you already know, like, it was really, really difficult for me to trim my ends. I never want to let go of any of my inches. But once I got a professional trim, my hair just thrived after that. So make sure to at least get a professional trim, or you know, you can do it yourself. At least do it once every 6 months. So the next tip is to be patient with your hair because hair growth takes time. So you won't have to be patient with your hair and get a routine down pat. If you have been following along with my ebook, I basically put a routine in place for you guys to follow along with, and I've been trying to follow along with it as well. Even me, it's hard to keep up with my own routine, but I know everybody who has been following along has been thriving, and it's only been, we're in month 4. So, but yeah, everybody who has been following along with the book has been telling me how much their hair has been thriving. And if you guys have not purchased my ebook, I will put a link down below in the description box so you can check it out and you can follow along with the routine. But having a routine is very, very important if you want to grow your hair, if you want to see any type of improvement with your hair. So if you're a person who suffers from like weird smells and odors and stuff like that, you may want to switch to an organic body wash. Those have done wonders for me. I'll put a link down in the description box of some of my favorite organic body washes, because some of the body washes that you may use may have like different ingredients in there that just have a bad reaction to your specific smell in your body. So it can kind of throw off your pH balance and have you smelling weird. You may not smell like funky, but you may have like a weird scent and you really don't want that. So I'll put some of my favorite body washes as well as vaginal washes down below in the description box so you can check it out. Another tip is to use organic tampons. Ever since I switched to using organic tampons, I don't really have any cramps like I used to. I may have cramps like right before my period is gonna come on, but I don't have them throughout the entire 4 days of my period. So that has been a huge help. So if you are having sexual intercourse, obviously the smart thing to do is to always use a condom because STDs are real. You do not want to catch an STD that you're stuck with for the rest of your life, or even an STD that can go away. You don't want no type of STDs, okay? So make sure you guys are using condoms. If you aren't using condoms, for instance, if you're married or whatever the case may be, you don't want your man to constantly be coming inside of you because that can also make you smell funky down there and throw off everything. So you don't want him to be coming inside of you all the time unless you're obviously trying to have a baby. So keep that in mind. So with your feminine hygiene products, you definitely want to say no to any scented feminine hygiene products, because even skincare as well, like I'm always very weird when my skincare or my body wash or anything of that nature has like a fragrance inside of it, because that just, it's like, why are you adding fragrance in skincare? That just messes up everything. And especially if you have sensitive skin, that could definitely give you like some type of reaction to it. So I say no to fragrance when it comes to your vaginal washes, when it comes to your body washes, and when it comes to your skincare. Avoid wearing like tight underwear and tight clothes when you are sleeping. So I say go commando when you are sleeping. You definitely want to let your vagina breathe, because it needs air. It needs to be aired out sometimes. So don't wear underwear when you're sleeping. That's something that I definitely suggest. Okay, one of my favorite hair tips is to stretch your hair. There are many ways that you can stretch your natural hair, but it definitely helps me to prevent any type of tangles or knots, and it makes my life a lot more easier. So I always like to keep my hair stretched when I can. Sometimes I can't, but for the most part, I like to keep my hair stretched, and it does a great job at helping me to retain length. Best to eat healthy as well, because eating healthy will help your hair grow. It will help it get a lot thicker. It will help your body. It will help you like to stay fit. So just eating healthy in general will help you a lot. And don't deprive yourself from things that you love, because life is short at the end of the day, but you do want to eat healthy. There are a lot of healthy snacks and stuff out there that actually is pleasurable and actually tastes good. So I'll put some of my favorites down below in the description box. If you're a pad user, make sure to change your pad every 3 to 6 hours. You don't want to be wearing the same pad all day long. Even if you have like a lower amount of flow coming out, you still want to be able to change your pad frequently, because it can cause like odors and stuff, and you don't want that. So change your pad frequently. You want to make sure that you are cleaning yourself and peeing after sex, because you don't want to get a UTI. You don't want to get any type of irritation or particles that are usually on condoms. You don't want that to be in your system. So make sure you are cleaning yourself and peeing after sex. Make sure that you are going to see your doctor regularly and getting checkups on your body, and make sure everything is good, and make sure that you are as healthy as you can be. You want to make sure that you are deep conditioning your hair regularly, as well as doing scalp massages every night. So every night I take out about 5 minutes of my night before bed, and I will give myself a scalp massage. And you can buy a scalp massager. There are tons of them on Amazon, or you can even use your fingers and just do it with your fingers. And it feels amazing. And if you have somebody else who is willing to give you a scalp massage, that feels even better. So always give yourself a little scalp massage. That will stimulate your hair growth and help your hair grow. Okay, so this video is getting really, really long. So I actually do have more tips. I can do a part 2 if you guys are interested. But all of these tips are very, very useful for women, or if you are coming into womanhood. These are great, useful tips for you to help with your body, help with your beauty, just help with your life. So I really hope this video was helpful for you guys, and give me a huge thumbs up if it was. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.